All right, you guys. So now we have put our offer in place. We have sent it to the seller. How many days do they have to respond to us? So the short answer is usually the seller has 72 hours to respond. Now, oftentimes, those are kind of the terms that we put into the offer, and we say, hey, you have about 3 days to give us a response to our offer. Sometimes what happens is if there's already been conversation between myself and the listing agent, I may already know that they may give us a response in a day or 24 hours or 2 hours, or maybe they're waiting on another offer, and then they will present all to the seller. So the time may vary, but during that process, kind of what I'm also discussing with you is earnest money. And so let me tell you what earnest money is. Earnest money is usually anywhere but around 1%. It can be a little higher, just depends on kind of the terms of where we're coming at with the offer. But the earnest money is basically your deposit that says, hey, I'm going to set aside this money into a third party account, which is called an escrow account. And this is the amount of money that I'm saying is 1% of the purchase price. And I'm saying, hey, I want to show you as a seller that I'm serious about this offer, so I'm willing to put a deposit in place. Should you accept my offer, I'm ready to move forward with the contract, right? So again, we have earnest money that goes in place. It's usually around 1%. Sometimes it can be a little more depending on how competitive we want to be in the offer. And that money goes into an escrow account, which is kind of like that third party. So I don't collect any earnest money from you. The seller doesn't collect any earnest money from you. This literally goes to escrow, which is a third party holder. Okay. And so that's the next step. And so let's move on to the next step.